Avi Meyer's Northtown Neighborhood News Magazine, thanks to my entire technical crew, Sonny Hirsch. Jewish Chicago will be out February 27th. You have almost no time to get involved at all. It is judicial season. It is a pleasure to introduce you to a candidate for, is it the Reyes vacancy?
Yes,
Oh, I got
correct.
that right. Wow. And I happen to be a fan of Judge Reyes, too, as a matter of fact. Countywide for the Circuit Court, and that is Diana Rosario. How are you?
Very well. How are you? Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Would you like to tell us a little bit about your background?
Sure. I'm a lifelong Cook County resident, and I've actually was born in the city of Chicago, and I currently live in the Edgewater neighborhood. I received my undergraduate degree from Loyola University and my law degree from DePaul University College of Law. I've been practicing law for over 24 years, and I have a very diverse legal background. I started my work as a prosecutor with the State Attorney's Office, where I litigated in court and handled a large caseload. And then after that, I went to work for a law office where I handled legal matters or represented clients in family law, wills, and real estate matters. After that, I started working for the City of Chicago, and as an attorney for the City of Chicago, I'm actually the in-house counsel for the Department of Family and Support Services.
Oh, wow.
This department handles all the social services work for the City of Chicago, and it is a City of Chicago department because people seem to think that it's a separate agency, but it's not. It's connected to the City of Chicago. Within that department, my job or responsibility as the attorney for the department is to advise the department on legal matters related to federal, state, local laws, rules, and regulations, civil rights compliance and violations. I handle labor matters. I also draft legal agreements and negotiate for the department. And I also handle litigation against the department. I manage that process. And I also work with administrative agencies, for example, the U.S. Department of Civil Rights, the Illinois Department of Labor, and the Illinois Department of Human Rights with regard to any claims that are filed against the department. It's a department that's very well known actually within the city of Chicago, especially during times when the economy is pretty bad. And we help and serve a lot of individuals, including individuals of homeless who are homeless. We work with anti-violence programs for youth, and we also work with the elderly. And working for that department has given me the opportunity to practice in elder law, domestic violence, housing and eviction matters, and I also work in juvenile justice and intervention.
Wow, that's quite an extensive range.
Yes.
It sounds like there's more stuff you do than other things that you could possibly do. I mean, it's like you're really like, you're all over the place over there.
Yes, I am, yes.
Now, have you wanted to be a judge for very long?
Actually, I wanted to be a judge for a very long time. I figured now with 24 years of experience, legal experience, and especially working in public service, I thought this is the time it would be a great fit for me. Based on my professional and personal knowledge and experience, I thought I would make, a great judge. And also the fact that I work in public service and, obviously I would continue working for the public as a judge.
I think that's very important, no question about it, because after all, you are serving the public. And one thing I like to point out during these judicial interviews is that when you look at the range of services you're talking about doing as a lawyer and the things you do as a judge, you'll have more of an effect on people's lives.
Yes.
Than, it's nice to be governor, but the fact is you may not directly affect your life.
Exactly.
It just might be a little tick in your tax one way or another, or whatever. But I mean, a judge, your house, your freedom, your family, everything. It's just so important. And that's why I always urge people to go to the bottom of the ballot first and vote for the judges, and then you can vote for the unimportant offices like governor and all the rest of it.
Exactly, yes. It's very important. As a matter of fact, having that knowledge and background that I have, working in social services has been a great experience, and I think it will be very helpful in knowing how to work with the public and work with individuals who come to court.
No question. Endorsements.
Well, I've been endorsed by the Cook County Democratic Party.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor. It's a great help. We're running countywide. Obviously, the county is huge, so it's going to be a lot of help, with them working with me so that, I can reach out to as many people as possible. And I recently received an endorsement from the Indo-American Democratic Party, which I'm very excited about also. And in addition to that, I've been, sending out letters asking for endorsements, so hopefully we'll get some more pretty soon.
Good luck.
Thank you.
That's for sure. So are you hitting the campaign trail? I mean, are you out places and visiting? And
Absolutely. I'm out there. I am trying to see as many people as possible. I've been to many different events. As you know, we probably go to like 3 or 4 events, sometimes a night. And I can be in Orland Park, drive over to Palos Hills, and then head to Park Ridge, and then back to the city of Chicago.
Wow.
So we have to cover a huge base. So yes, I've been out there campaigning.
That's a lot of miles in the car. At least there's an event tonight in the neighborhood.
Yes, there is. Exactly. The 49th Ward Democratic Party is going to have their endorsement session for the candidates. So it's pretty close.
Yeah, well, good luck over there.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Joe. Anyway, he's a frequent guest on the show.
Oh, okay.
Joe Moore.
Okay.
Do you have a website?
Yes, I do. It's DianaRosarioForJudge.com. And I also have an email address. It's DianaRosarioForJudge@gmail.com.
DianaRosarioForJudge.com.
Yes.
And I'll let you give the email again.
DianaRosarioForJudge@gmail.com.
Okay, very good. I want to thank you very much, Diana Rosario. I want to wish
thank
you good
you.
luck on the campaign trail. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And anyway, at this point, what can I do but wish you good luck in the election?
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.